Fantastic light, Eton. At present, China has become one of the main manufacturing and application center of electronics and SMT application. In order to break the status of domestic market that has been monopolized by foreign brands for a long time, Eton undertakes the mission of revitalizing national industry, fully devoted to developing the manufacturing of SMT intelligent automation. Shenzhen Eton Automatic Equipment Company Limited is a leading manufacturing of SMT high-speed pick and place machines and SMT one-stop solution, focusing on research and development, production, sales and service. We have SMT pick and place machine division, precision solder paste stencil printer division, glue dispensing division, and SMT peripheral automation equipment division. And forming SMT Intelligent Manufacturing System integrates the SMT one-stop solution, research and development, design, manufacturing, and sales into an industrial structure, and continue to create value through product innovation, laying the solid foundation for the large-scale road. The products are widely used in lighting, display screens, electric power driver, home appliances, new energy, communications, and other industries. Eton advanced technology and innovation drives the revolution of market rapidly and obtains a number of intellectual property technologies, including 9 invention patents, 112 practical patents, 12 software copyrights. Eton is rated as Shenzhen High-Tech Enterprise, China High-Tech Enterprise, Shenzhen Top Brand, 2015 LED Technology Innovation Award, the 4th China LED First Innovation Award, Industry Special Contribution Award, and etc. Persist to achieving excellence with professionalism, achieving the future with strength, move forward and achieve rapid development. As a pioneer enterprise for SMT pick and place machines in China, Eton has a high-end talent team, adheres to the purpose of creating value for customers and creating benefits for the society, with the goal of creating a national brand and building a world-class enterprise. An innovation technology, advanced concept, and strong practicability have accelerated the development of intelligent automation. The market share of Eton products in some industries has reached more than 90%. In overseas markets, the products are exported to more than 20 countries and regions, including South Korea, India, Vietnam, Tunisia, Egypt, Turkey, Russia, Brazil, Germany, and Iran, etc. Today, Eton has built a modern international industrial park with an area of 52,000 square meters and more than 500 employees. The park is equipped with advanced research and development experimental facilities and a modern high-precision manufacturing center, which controls quality of components from the source and steadily improves the capabilities of system integration and manufacturing, with an annual sales scale of over 800 million. The red sun is rising and the road is bright. In the future, with the rapid development of SMT pick and place machines and SMT intelligent automation, forge ahead. Eton will make greater contributions to the industry and society, inspire the technology, inspire the future.